Model 2008 Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC 2.0 Cdti 6-speed long wheelbase, silver side windows, aircon, electric windows. Body silver, panel van. Mileage 148905. Engine 1995 CCM9R 115 bhpg. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect. MAF sensor will need replacing at some point as the engine management light comes on, but still does not affect the running or performance at all, and it still has full power grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: parking sensors, air con, electric windows. EU status: Euro